Don't we all love that charming smoky look? To begin, I'll use the SOS primer to prep my skin. Next, with the eye pencil, I color my eyelid to create an intense base for my smoky look. I add black eyeshadow on my lid and blend it all the way up to my crease. We then add another black layer by tapping black eyeshadow all over my lids. With a clean blending brush, blend the lines and smooth the edges until no lines are visible. Now go over the lash line with a black Khol pencil and then smudge it all across the bottom lash line. I use a single pump of Clarins SOS primer to wipe my under eye area to remove any eyeshadow excess. All set now to start finishing the whole look. I apply concealer and dab it all across my eyes. Then I add a thin line around my eyebrows to give them a clean and defined shape. With an angled brush, I will blend the concealer outwards. I apply Lancome foundation with a face blending brush and focus on the center of my face and the T-zone, going downwards towards my neck, with what is left on the brush to even out the color. Next, I apply Clarins Glow to Go bronzer in a circular motion towards my hairline. I add some highlight with Givenchy Shimmer powder brushed on top of my cheekbones. For the lips, I use Bassam Fattouh lipstick in shade True Beige. I finish my charming smoky look with Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara that instantly adds volume and intensity to my lashes.